Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify brand consistency in Squarespace templates, full guide step by step clearly. To verify brand consistency in Squarespace templates, start by identifying your brand elements. These elements include your logo, color palette, typography, and imagery. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to check. Navigate to the Design section in the left-hand menu. Select Site Styles to view your current settings. Begin with your logo. Ensure that it displays correctly and is properly sized. Check that your logo aligns with your brand's visual identity. Next, review your color palette. Make sure the primary and secondary colors are consistent throughout your site. Look for uniformity in buttons, text, and backgrounds. Then, examine the typography. Confirm that the fonts used reflect your brand's personality. Check for consistency in font sizes, weights, and styles. Pay close attention to headings, body text, and any special text elements. Next, look at your imagery. Ensure that the images used are aligned with your brand's messaging. Check for a consistent style, such as color grading or image filters. Evaluate how images complement your text and overall design. Additionally, check for consistency in your tone and language. Visit different pages to ensure the voice remains uniform across the site. Review any taglines, descriptions, or content blocks. Next, examine your navigation. A consistent layout across pages will enhance user experience. Ensure that menu items, links, and layouts are uniform. After reviewing content, test your site on different devices. Check for brand consistency across mobile, tablet, and desktop views. Adjust any elements that appear misaligned or inconsistent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.